So assalamualaikum everyone. So today we will try our gun here. So now let me take some bullets because I need this. Yes, this side bullet. It's so good. See, I love this one. It does so much damage. See, if I do that, 100, 100, 100. Bro, it can one-shot everyone. But my blue phantom does no damage. 43, what? It does not damage. Ooh, it works like this. Yes. It is like this. Oh, I understand now. I was doing like this. What? Oh, 7. There's power. The last power was so good. So let's now leave. Now we'll play a match. Let's open 10 again. Tracing shadow. Do I have that? Maybe not. Let me see. I don't have that. Let's see. Oh, this. Inventory. What? Whoa, this is so good. I want this. It's an Eclipse SSL. No, this one. This is so I don't need this anyways. And I need this. No, not SSL. I need this one, Tracing Shadow. It is looking so good. It is 7. It is like my blue phantom. Let's try this. Let's go to a match. Did I get it permanently? Yes, it is permanently. Yes. Now I'm taking that forever. Now let's go to a match. Yes, now. Team. Fast. There's no one. Let's try this one. Oh, it is looking so good. Let's try this one. It is so good, see? Oh, I love this gun. I am now playing with this gun. But it is only for 48 hours. Let me try this gun. No. Let's join a new lobby. Let's try Stronghold. Let's try Stronghold. No, deathmatch. Yes, let's do deathmatch. Fast. I know everything. What is this? Why no one is playing now? Can I join this one? This I want to join the red team. So I can change team. Oh, I want to change the team. What can I do now? Let's join Stronghold now. I will see when I will join the Stronghold. So I am now joining the Stronghold. So I joined. No one is still here. Why? I have my sniper. So where is the flags? Oh, it is here. Where is the another one? Where is the another one? Is it there? Where is it? It might be there. No, it is not here. Oh, it is here. Now let's do some parkour. Here now, I have to do something. Can I get there? No. Why there is no 3-block jump? Can I do this? No. Can I do this? Oh, 10 enemy resource. I have an idea now, see. Yes. Yes. I need 10 seconds. I will do this forever. So I did 15 points in my opponent team now. I will do another one. Oh no, I don't need to do 1 damage. I have now 41 health left. It did like 59 damage. Oh no. Oh, it was so close. I love this. But this is also good. Now this is also bullet. This is also bullet. And only this one. I need to reload it first. Only this one, and this one, and phantom and particles, and my other guns have it also. What will I do now? Let's win one match right here. I'll never play this game again. Assalamualaikum, bye. Oh, our player joined. Let's fight with him. It's almost. Oh, he's so stacked. Hacker? It is a weird name. Where is he? Is he hiding from me? You can't hide. I already won. Almost at 10 left. Yes, I won. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Victory!